Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your traction cable on your Toro 6.5 horsepower super receptacle.
It's model number 20036.
And here's the part off of Amazon that was $10. It's 106-8300 is the Toro part number. This is an off-brand one by Hakatop. The Toro one was 15 bucks and it would take a week to get here, and this one would be here in 2 days. So, and it was 10 bucks. So okay, so on yours, there'll be 2 bolts, one here and one there, but I broke my bolt off, so I got to strap on this cover on. Basically, you gotta take this cover off. Alright, if your cable is already broken like mine, it's really easy to get it out of this part. This is, yeah, so here's the old cable, the end of it. Pull that out, then I'll just take that out of that little loop there, and there we go. And to get this side out, you're going to unhook this spring thing here. Actually, that might be easier to disconnect this first. This plastic piece, so this is all one piece. You just have to squeeze these tabs on the other side, and this will pop out. You're going to need a pair of scissors to undo the zip tie. Okay, undo this bolt here. You do have to take that bolt out all the way so you can feed the new line in. So if you look at the new one here and the old one, you'll see the old one is actually round on the end. This one is square. So I'm probably going to have to shave the squareness off a little bit to get to fit into this stupid hole. It doesn't want to go in there too easily. I'm putting a lot of force on it. So I'm probably going to have to figure something out here. I got her. So as it turns out, the bolt position here is very important. So like where this is in this track, the closer it is to this, the more slack you'll have and it won't go. The closer it is to over here, it'll go too fast. So you gotta kind of play with it and figure out where you want your speed to be and then bolt it down. Leave this unbolted until you get this into the loop here. Because you don't want to slide that up in there like so. Alright, then put it all back together, fire it up.